If your birdwatching list looks like a horror movie cast, you've just met the southern giant petrel. This isn't your typical feathered friend. Found in the chilly Antarctic waters, this menacing bird is a scavenger extraordinaire. Known for preying on injured or dead animals, and including penguins and seals, the southern giant petrel is nature's grim reaper. With a sharp beak perfect for tearing through flesh and a tendency to spit a foul-smelling liquid when threatened, this petrel isn't winning any popularity contests. They can be aggressive towards humans and other animals, making them the ultimate avian bad boys of the sea. Want more cool and creepy animal facts? Smash that subscribe button and help Dodita's family YouTube channel reach